Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Weight reduction is something that can be achieved through sheer hard work, determination, and persistence. The success formula is obviously a healthy diet, exercise, and healthy sleep habits. There are some inexpensive and easily available natural foods that our Mother Nature has provided, with which our weight reduction goals can be reached with no side effects. Today, I'm going to share with you all one such incredibly healthy and very effective weight loss juice recipe. Each and every ingredient that I have used in this recipe aids in healthy weight loss. Now, come, let's get started. Our first ingredient for this recipe is the amazingly nutritious almond gum. Almond gum is a natural edible gum collected from the sap of the almond tree. It has no color or flavor or taste. It's used to improve the texture of desserts and drinks such as fruit jelly, ice cream, nannari sharbat, and this is the main ingredient, of the Madurai famous Jigar Tanda. Now let's have a look at the health benefits of almond gum or badam pisin or badam gond. It's a natural coolant for our body and hence it's a healthier choice of drink for summer season. It helps in reducing your body weight naturally and efficiently. When mixed with water and consumed, it reduces your body weight, and at the same time when you mix it with milk, it increases your body weight. And it's good for pregnant women and lactating mothers as it strengthens the bones and helps to increase the production of breast milk and regulates menstrual cycle after delivery. And almond gum is said to improve male fertility. It contains zinc, that helps with testosterone levels and increase the sperm count. And it strengthens your bones and joints, as it's a natural source of calcium. It gives glow to your skin and nourishes your hair and helps in hair growth. And it also boosts up your immunity as it contains antioxidants and other essential nutrients, which makes you stay very healthy. And it also helps in improving digestive health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Here you go, the weight loss juice recipe. This is almond gum. It is hard like a pebble. It can't be consumed this way. So take 4 to 5 pieces of almond gum and soak them in water for about 8 hours in room temperature. And after 8 hours of soaking, the almond gum turns into a colorless and odorless jelly like this. Now keep it aside. Now the next amazing ingredient is the sweet basil seeds. These are not the holy basils. Holy basils are different from sweet basils. Holy basils are called tulsi and they have strong flavor, whereas sweet basils have mild flavor and they are widely used in beverages. So when any fruit juice is consumed with sweet basil seeds, the sugar levels doesn't shoot up immediately because these seeds contain fiber which helps in slow absorption of carbohydrates. Hence these seeds are good for keeping diabetes under control. Now take 1 teaspoon of sweet basil seeds and soak in 1 cup of water for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you can see the seeds have absorbed the water and have bloomed so beautifully and doubled in quantity. Now keep them aside. Our next ingredient is watermelon. This is a wonderful fruit and each and every bite of it is loaded with the carotenoid called lycopene, which is an amazing source of antioxidants that delays the aging process and keeps us healthy. So this lycopene, gives a beautiful red color to this fruit. Watermelons have very low calories and high water content, which makes you feel full, that helps you to maintain your body weight. And muskmelon is the next ingredient. It's the natural diuretic. It is low in calories and contains a good amount of potassium, which is known to reduce your body fat. It helps to flush out toxins and excess water from your body and hence prevents your body from bloating and swelling. Hence muskmelons are called natural diuretics. Our next ingredient is lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C and soluble fiber and they are said to boost up your metabolism. Hence any weight reduction diet plan includes lemon water also. And our next ingredient is a versatile natural sweetener for this juice, coconut nectar or coconut nira. Coconut nira is a sap collected from the immature, unopened coconut spadix or inflorescence. It is non-alcoholic and loaded with 17 amino acids. It's very good for health and it has very low glycemic index. The glycemic index is just 35. So it's the best natural sweet drink for people with type 2 diabetes and it is low in pH value and low in calories and hence it's a very good weight loss drink. This comes in a Tetra pack and this is 100% natural without added sugar and preservatives and best for sweetening any juice. Now take a mixer jar and add the diced watermelons 2 cups and muskmelon 2 cups, so equal quantities of both, and add quarter cup of coconut nira followed by juice of half lemon, medium sized lemon, and half a cup of water, and cover and blend them. So blend thoroughly. Now it's ready. Now take a glass and add 3 teaspoons of almond gum and 2 to 3 teaspoons of the bloomed sweet basil seeds and some ice cubes, and you can add 2 tablespoons of nira if you want more sweetness, or you can avoid it, and you can pour the juice that we had blended. Now the delicious and nutritious weight loss juice is ready to be consumed. Friends, please try this recipe and I'm sure you will get the desired weight loss results along with a healthy diet and exercise regimen. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like and share this recipe with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.